Hello YouTube, this is Chilsra2233 and Anime Panda. Yeah, so we are going to show you how to download full PSP games that are really free. Yeah, so yeah, this is additional part, part 2 of the how to download PSP games yeah. So like you can get custom firmwares also here. Yeah, you need to register in order to like use. It's free, totally free. Yeah, I'm actually not the owner of this website. I'm just like advertising it. Yeah. Oh yeah, my friend is also not the owner. Yeah, so yeah, excuse me. Yeah, in this website you can find videos, games, PSP applications like PSP Tube. Yeah, you can find cheats here, but cheat sucks actually. You play your own self better. Yeah, so I will pass the mic to my dear friend here. Okay, yeah, I will pass the mic to Anime Panda. Okay, so yeah, hold on.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you all the games and how to download cheats if you all don't want to play yourself like me, not like a loser like Toshra. As he play himself. I'll pass the mic to him to hold on and talk to you all while I do other things.
Okay. Yeah. Please wait a moment. Please wait a while. Okay, while Mr. Panda loads the website of some sort, enjoy this freaking picture over here. As you can see, he is pointing his middle finger. Okay, actually it's not middle finger lah, just joking. Yeah, this is a Yu-Gi-Oh character called Jack. Yeah, so I like the main character, very cool. Okay, yeah, so hey, don't lah. Okay, this is his special picture. Yeah, so please hold on a moment. Okay, this is the actual site where you download the games. Yeah, need to go under games, blah blah blah, ISO, blah blah blah. Okay, never mind, I don't really know, so sorry. Okay, here are the firmwares. Yeah, actually 5.00 is the maximum one. Okay, so Mr. Panda over here wants to talk to you about this firmware stuff.
Actually, I'm gonna talk to you about the web. We will not give you the full link to the web because there's a rule. So we will just pass you to the normal web like www.pspiso.com, and you must find your way in order to download the game and register yourself.
We will show you that later.
Okay, now I will try to find the cheats for you all.
There is actually a cheat site.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's
yeah.
Yeah, this is the cheats thing. Yeah, but please go up. There's another place where you can find cheats, and it's right up. Go to index. Yeah, so after you register, click on the PSPISO thing. Yeah, so after you register, you cannot find index, right? You see, yeah, see there's no index there, so you need to click on the go up. Yeah, you see the Mr. Frodo face? Yeah, the Mr. Frodo face down there. Yeah, actually click the down there. Yeah, and there Yeah, see, as you can see, it's PSP ISO/index. Don't go there first. Yeah, you need to register. Then, yeah, okay, please wait while it loads. While the PSP index shit thing loads, this is my friend's channel. Yeah, so yeah, please subscribe, and yeah, and this is mine. Cute, right? Actually not that cute lah. Quite empty. I don't really know how to do stuff. Okay, so now, yeah, we are at the index page. Go to PSP downloads. Go to PSP downloads. Under the PSP download section, go to PSP cheats. If you want cheats, which are very hard to find. Yeah, there is save data from other people. Yeah, if they want to post. Yeah, even Song loses one, so you gotta be careful. Later your one so powerful, he's also lousier than yours. So yeah, so be careful what shit thing you download. Sometimes it's like European, yours is American. You don't click, it doesn't match. So yeah, I had this problem before in GTA. Yeah, so we are going to the cheats. Yeah, okay, there's this new cheat thing that this guy made. It's called NITEPR. Yeah, it's like new, I think, but CW cheats are like much more better in a sense that it's much more easier. Just hold the select button for a while after you have activated it. Okay, so please check other person's vids for information about how to activate CW cheats. Sorry about that, I accidentally dropped the mic. Okay, so if you can't hear me, maybe it's spoiled or sorry. For more information, just comment yeah, to my channel or my friend's channel. Yeah, so very cheapskate. Yeah, so this is part 2. This is part 1 also.
And please subscribe to our
Please subscribe to our videos. If you subscribe to one, please subscribe to both. Thank you. Okay, try.